Hi everybody, Justin Caldwell here from Caldwell Equipment. I want to show you a really awesome purchase that we have right now on the most productive snow plow that I've ever used. It's called the SnowEx Power Plow, and I want to show you the deal that we've got on this lightly used one. So here it is. This is the SnowEx Power Plow, and it is the 8100 PP model, which means it's an 8'1" plow while the wings are tucked in. This is a fully hydraulically operated wing on each side with a touchpad remote control. You use the remote control, you can expand this wing out, you can expand this wing out, you can then scoop them both in. There are shortcut buttons. You push one button, all those functions happen at once. So you get this massive, so it goes from 8'1" up to 10'2" whenever it's fully in wide pass mode. And then when it's in scoop mode, the entire plow can still angle while in scoop mode. So I've used this plow on my personal truck out plowing snow before, and this is the most productive plow of all of the models that we sell. Now, if you are a Western fan, if you know Western Whiteout, Western is built by a parent company called Douglas Dynamic, and Douglas Dynamic builds SnowEx. They also build Western plows. And so if you own a Western plow and you have a Western mount on your truck, you can actually pull right up to this plow and hook up to this plow. We made a video on the interchangeability between SnowEx and Western, and I'll put a link to that video on this one so that you can click through and watch that interchangeability video. But this is basically the same plow as the Western Whiteout. Some of the technology is the same, some of the components are different, but SnowEx actually gets an advantage over Western because they have hydraulic down pressure is standard on this model. Okay, so let me show you some details on this plow. So first of all, you'll notice it's lightly used. It's been demoed. It's got a few scratch marks on it from being used, but this plow actually is going to sell to you with a full factory warranty because it's actually never been owned by a customer. So this has the automatics hitch mounting system, super fast to get on and off of your truck. Really heavy built plow. One of the things that I'll zoom in here on the price tag so that you can understand the deal that this plow is. So if you price Western, for example, I know they can't touch this price. I know that you're going to be saving yourself a lot of money. So at the regular price here, this is if you want to do a 3.99% for 54-month plan on financing. The middle tier here is if you want to pay with a credit or debit card. You can also do an 8.99% for 72-month loan on this price tag, on this tier. And then, of course, the cheapest way to get it is the cash price. So $93.95 is the cash price. Now, cash is cash, cashier's check. It's also, we have a 0% for 6-month plan that we can honor the cash discount on. So sometimes people will use that even if they have the cash. So that's the deal on this lightly used plow. So everything is included with this plow. The truck specific mount that you need for your truck, and also the wiring harness specific to your headlights are included with this plow. You get the halogen light kit that's already on it. You get the touchpad remote. It's a complete kit with all of the truck specific parts included. So one thing you might be thinking is, hey, maybe let's say you're coming across this video quite a while after it's been posted, and you're thinking, why would I even contact this company? They probably sold that plow. Well, first of all, we always keep lightly used demoed plows in our inventory. Certain times of the year we have a big supply of them. They dwindle down once it's snowing and people need plows, but then we build that inventory back up. And the second reason I would say to please call us is that we keep the new plow package prices. Sometimes we're able to have the same price that we've got on a used one on a brand new plow package. So please give us a call. Our number is 636-586-9607. Look us up online at caldwellequipment.com. We look forward to hearing from you, so give us a call, shoot us a text, or stop by our website. Thanks a lot for looking.